Hi, welcome to 714 Joy Learn It Together. I'm Rachel, and today we're going to work on some different cutting skills and knife safety. So we're going to use just potatoes to demonstrate some of that. What you'll need is the cutting board. You don't want to cut right on the counter. That's not good for the counter or the knife. And a knife. With the knife, it's important that you don't touch the extra sharp side so that you're holding it by the handle and keeping it face down on the smooth side. Okay, now we're just going to go over a few of the different knives that you might have in your house and kind of what they're used for. Chef's knife, that's a little bit bigger. It's going to be the easiest to cut things with, so you'll probably use this one the most. Again, we always want to hold by the handle. We don't want to point our knives at anyone, and we want to just be aware where the sharp side is and where the smooth side is. Never run your finger along the sharp side. A paring knife, it's a little bit smaller. You could use that for smaller foods that you have to cut up. Again, same thing, always hold it by the handle. A serrated knife, it's got little grooves here at the bottom that you can see. It will be used for softer objects like bread, tomatoes, but same thing, we want to be aware of where the little curves are so we don't touch that, and always hold it by the handle. Okay, first what we're going to do is cut this potato in half. Remember, you want to be aware of where the blade is and where your fingers are. You don't want to slice your fingers. We also want to make sure that we hold the object that we're cutting secure. So it's best to kind of hold your fingers in a C shape so that they're not laying flat across the object. So first we're just going to cut the potato in half. And you push down and pull. Next we're going to work on doing the potato in little strips or slices. So same thing, I'm going to use my hand like this to hold the potato and then just do little slices. I'll press down and pull through. As I get closer to where my fingers are, I want to move or adjust them. And that's how you can make some easy slices. Now we're gonna do 2 steps with this one. We're gonna slice it one way and then slice the other. Push down and pull through. Sometimes, so that they don't all slide away, you need to kind of make a little cave over so you can pull it through. Next, we're going to turn our potato and then do cuts the other way so we can make little cubes. And now you can have little chunks of potato. Thanks again for joining us for knife safety and cutting. Be sure to subscribe below if you like the videos and tell us what else you would like to learn about. And make sure to check out our Instagram at 714joy to check out the skills that we're learning and what else we're doing.